Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the all-in-app notifications on TikTok. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Now, tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Next, tap on the 3 lines option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Now, locate the Settings and Privacy option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the Notifications option and tap on it. Step 6. Now find the In-App Notifications option at the top and tap on it. Step 7. You will see the option to turn on all in-app notifications. Final step. For the last and most important step, tap on the All option to turn it off instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.